Kidney stones. What causes kidney stones? Once the kidney stones are formed, how you can dissolve them naturally without undergoing any surgery. Painless removal of the stones. This is what we are going to see in today's video. And today's product is Elements Uriflush 3 Plus. How it can help in dissolving your stones, kidney stones naturally. This is what we are going to see today. Stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm going to be talking about lots of information about kidney stones. So stick around. In the meantime, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, consider subscribing to this channel. I'll be talking about health and wellness related topics. And also remember to press that little bell icon so that you get notification. Now, let's dive into the topic. What causes kidney stones? Kidney stone problem seems to be a very common phenomenon these days, especially. What causes kidney stones? The waste from blood is removed from body through urine, and this is done by our kidneys, right? So when the body does not produce enough urine and too much of waste is collected in the blood, the waste becomes concentrated and begin to crystallize. And these crystallization results in forming of kidney stones. This is how kidney stones are formed. So what are the symptoms? How would you know that you're having kidney stones? Based on size of the stone, symptoms may be severe lower back pain and sporadic pain in the sides. You may spot blood while passing urine. You may have nausea and vomiting feeling. Some people may get even fever and chills. There's infection in the urinary bladder. And there's possibility of having foul smelling urine, then pain while urinating, frequent urge to urinate. These are some of the symptoms. So when you see some of these symptoms, it's better to consult the doctor to confirm if there is stone in the kidney, if the symptoms are due to kidney stones or if there's any other problem. So it's always best to consult the doctor. What are some of the risk increasing factors? Why some people keep getting kidney stones? What are the risk increasing factors? Excessive consumption of phosphate rich foods like fish, meat, beans. These are risk increasing factors. Or if there is a family history of kidney stones, or if there's urinary tract blockage and there's no free flow of urine, and urine gets concentrated inside the bladder, and there are chances of getting kidney stones. Then high BP, obesity, diabetes, osteoporosis, gout, hypercalciuria, that is high levels of calcium in the urine. These can also be some of the risk increasing factors. Then certain medications, certain medications like diuretics, some antibiotics, calcium-based antacids, some medicines that doctors give to treat seizures and HIV infections. These are certain high-risk factors. And diet high in sodium and sugars is a bad diet for those who are prone to getting kidney stones frequently. We saw how kidney stones are formed. We saw what are the symptoms, and we saw what are the risk factors that increases the chances of getting kidney stones. And how can you prevent it now? Let's see how you can prevent formation of kidney stones. Number 1, identify the risk factor. Number 2, adopt healthy lifestyle. Okay, these two are very important. Apart from this, be conscious of having plenty of fluids every day. Consume at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. Include a lot of fluids in your diet. Do all it takes to reduce weight if you're overweight. If you're overweight, there's a lot of burden on the kidney and there's no enough output of urine, then there are high chances of kidney stone formation. Avoid all carbonated drinks like colas, Fantas, all that, and all drinks and eatables that contain added sugar. Eat fruits rich in citrate like lemon, oranges. Now let's see some of the common home remedies for kidney stones. If the stone size is not very big, you can treat yourself at home with these common remedies that may help in breaking down the stone and they'll eventually pass out through the urine. Number 1, drinking plenty of fluids is very vital part of passing kidney stones, and also very important for preventing new stones from forming. Number 2, dehydration is one of the main risk factors for kidney stones. So take care to hydrate yourself consciously throughout the day. Then number 3, having any citrus juice or lemon juice help in reducing the kidney stone formation. Citrates in citrus fruit prevents formation of calcium stones and also help in breaking up the stones into smaller ones. Number 3, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, and this acetic acid helps in dissolving kidney stones and also helps in reducing the size of kidney stone. Make sure to dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with about 150 ml of water while consuming. Remember not to consume it in concentrated form because excessive consumption can damage your tooth enamel. And also remember, if you are under any medication for diabetes or for any other illness, please do consult your doctor before consuming apple cider vinegar. Number 4 is pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice helps in lowering your urine's acidity level. So this way it reduces your risk of future kidney stone formation and also improves overall kidney functions, help in flushing stones and other toxins from your system. Number 5, drinking coconut water. This also will help in increasing urine output and thus it will help in flushing out kidney stones. Number 6, an ancient Indian effective home remedy for flushing out kidney stone is consuming the juice of glass full of fresh raw banana stems. However, there is no scientific evidence to prove this. However, if the symptoms persist, it's best to consult doctor and identify the intensity of the issue. Natural remedies are definitely good as preventive and precaution if you are susceptible to kidney stone formation. But once the stone is formed, it is best to consult a doctor, and depending on the size of the stone, you can decide on whether to go for surgery or for any natural remedies or alternative treatment. In Ayurveda, they use combination of herbs that help in dissolving the stones naturally without undergoing surgery, without having to consume painkillers that cause various side effects. Some of the herbs are Pashan Bhed. Pashan Bhed helps in breaking down the stones. Gokshur is another herb that helps in promoting flow of urine, helps in breaking down the size of the stone and also dissolving the stones. It's a star herb for relieving you from kidney stones. And the third herb is Punarnava. Punarnava helps in reducing water retention, helps in flushing out kidney stone and also reduces pain. Another herb that's used in the product Uriflush is Kulati. Kulati, or commonly called as horse gram. It has 2 inhibitors that help in preventing formation of calcium phosphates, which is the main ingredient of kidney stones. Another wonderful herb that's used in Elements Uriflush 3+ is ajwain or carom seeds. The antilithiatic properties of ajwain seeds inhibit deposition of both calcium oxalates and calcium phosphates and thus prevent kidney stone formation. Uriflush 3+ is lab tested for dissolving kidney stones. It promotes dissolution and passing out of stones to the bladder, promotes prevention of all 3 types of stone formation. Consumption of Uriflush 3+ for suggested period of time promote prevention of all 3 types of stone formation. That's why it's called Uriflush 3+. It's anti-infective in nature. Combination of herbs that are used in Uriflush 3+ is unique, and this combination of herbs help in promoting dissolution, flushing out of the stones, prevent formation of all 3 types of stones. Now let's see the dosages. You should have 1 tab 2 times a day after food with adequate intake of water and fruit juices. Take dosages for a minimum of 3 months. You should stop dosages only after getting ultrasound done, confirming complete removal of stones. Having Uriflush 3+ can be very effective. It is supported by appropriate lifestyle and appropriate diet. Some of the diet advices for quick relief: reduce consumption of food like tomato, banana, leafy vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, then food that are very high in protein like cheese, high quantity of yogurt. Also reduce salt intake. It's very important step. When you're suffering from kidney stone, immediately reduce salt intake. If you're by chance consuming any calcium supplements and if you're diagnosed with kidney stone, stop taking calcium supplements immediately. And also cut down on your caffeine consumption. And some of the lifestyle advices are avoid sedentary lifestyle, avoid alcohol intake, smoking and chewing of tobacco, lead a stress-free life, hydrate yourself regularly and consciously. Whether to continue Uriflush 3 Plus or not can be decided only based on the results after examination of abdomen to diagnose presence and extent of urinary stone. Pregnant women may take Uriflush 3 Plus only after consulting a physician. It's not suggested for kids. Kids normally don't get kidney stones, and if the kids get kidney stones, better to consult a doctor. And if you found the video useful, press that like button, share the video with all your contacts. Let them also be benefited by this information. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, press that subscribe button. And see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.